हमसे क्या हाल से ठीक हो, खुश हो तो वैसे ठीक है।
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon here in the Philippines. I'm from Philippines. I'm from Philippines. Yes, thank you so much, Sonia. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sonia. Thank you. Long time no look. Thank you so much.